my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to English class. Today we will study English Pre-Primer, chapter number 3, Sounds of Vowel A. Bat, cat, hat, mat, rat, can, fan, pan, men, van, at, rat, a rat, an, van, a van, at, hat, a hat, and man, a man, and fan, a fan, and pan, a pan, at, mat, a mat, at, cat, a cat. Phonic drill. No more words with A sound. Phonic drill. No more words with A sound. Add bat, hat, dad, bat, lad, sad. Ag, bag, bag, gag, lag, rag, tag. An, tan, fan, van, can, pan, ran. App, nap, gap, tap, map, lap, cap. At, cat, rat, mat, bat, hat, fat. Students, this is the picture of hat. This is the picture of bag. This is the picture of van. Let us learn. Pam and his cat. Pam has a cat. He loves his cat. They sat on a mat. The cat is fat. They had a chat. Tam and the bag. Tam is a lad. He is fat. He sat on the mat. Tam had a bag. He ran to the tap with the bag. Let's do the exercise. Read and write. 1. Look at the pictures and fill in the missing vowels. 1 has been done for you. This is the picture of car. C-A-R. This is the picture of map. M-A-P. Map. This is the picture of hat. H-A-T. Hat. This is the picture of fan. F-A-N. Fan. This is the picture of mat. M-A-T. Mat. This is the picture of jam. J-A-M. Jam. Question 2. With the help of the words given below, write 2 A sound words under each column. Here's a help box. And. The words with an, can, man. The words with app, cap, tap. The words with at, lad, mad. The words with at, bat, rat. For the teacher, ask the children to recognize more words with A sound. Let children open the mouth wide for the A sound. I hope you enjoy learning.